Dozens of schools, including Sioux Falls Public, are calling off classes tomorrow due to the forecasted storm, and conditions are ripe for a developing ground blizzard this weekend across parts of KELOLAND. Meteorologist Brian Karsten takes a closer look at the ingredients to watch.
The cold is here, the snow is coming, and the wind is never too far behind. And it all adds up to winter weather to watch in the coming days, including a possible ground blizzard. By definition, a ground blizzard refers to weather conditions featuring strong winds that pick up loose snow, resulting in blowing and drifting. If it gets bad enough, whiteout conditions can lead to blizzard conditions, even under blue skies. And that's what we may see on Saturday. We certainly have the snow. The snow cover going into this forecast is easily 6 to 12 inches on the ground north of Sioux Falls. Anything new will add to the problems. Our wind forecast by Saturday morning featured gusts near 50 miles per hour across portions of eastern KELOLAND. The Buffalo Ridge in southwestern Minnesota may have the worst trouble, but Watertown and Summit won't be much different. Remember, ground blizzard conditions fluctuate as the wind gusts go up and down. So be ready for erratic visibilities throughout your Saturday as this latest blast of winter weather pushes across eastern KELOLAND. Remember to take advantage of our KELOLAND Storm Tracker app and all of our digital resources at KELOLAND.com as this winter weather approaches. For KELOLAND Weather, I'm meteorologist Brian Karstens.